So I've been wanting to talk about sights for a while because you know what? I think it's important. And a lot of people get firearms and they totally forget to get the proper sights for that firearm. And it has to do all the way from pistols to rifles and things like that. Some people may get a little bit confused. Some people may see some firearms out there that they want it for a specific purpose, but they don't have the proper sight for it. So I'm gonna talk about a couple different ones. Maybe we'll go into some of my old videos that I have here, and we just have a little conversation. You're welcome to put your favorite self-defense sights in the comment section below, and definitely let me know what you think. Before I get into anything, let's give a big shout out to Core Essentials. It's brought to you by Core Essentials. If you're looking for a way to comfortably be able to carry a firearm, check out Core Essentials. They have everything from EDC gun belts to this belt right here, which is the first micro battle belt. This thing is solid. It is rugged. It is 1.75 wide. It allows you to carry up to 20 pounds, so you could put your holster, magazine, pouches. You could also put your trauma kit, first aid kit, whatever you want in there. It fits all the way from 24 inches to 48 inches, and it has a 30-day money-back guarantee for uncut belts. Again, Core Essentials is a great company, and they sponsor here the channel, and we truly appreciate them. Check it out. Let me come up here and show you this. So this is a Glock 21 Gen 4. This pistol is great. This pistol is awesome. I love shooting this pistol. But if you see right here, there's the sight for the Glock, right? And a lot of people always talk about, you know, the Glock having crappy sights and things like that. And it definitely does. Not going to be a super hater or anything, but they do have crappy sight. Those things are made out of plastic. And again, to me, is not the best choice when it comes down to self-defense, right? And look at the sight picture right there, right? Again, at nighttime, you probably won't see them and all that. So let me show you the ones that I had in this Glock. And by the way, by far, this has been one of my favorite sights ever. Whoops. Oh, that's nice, dude. New sights in the channel. Amero Glow Pro Dots. Yes. How does it feel?
Good.
Did it feel
Good.
good?
I like it.
You got
Very easy to see.
All right, big shout out to Tactical Man. Hasn't done a video in a while. Go to his channel, bug him, tell him to make some videos.
Try and slow it down and see. Try for the head. Too high.
I'm gonna stop right there just to compare, but look at the front right there, right? So that thing is very visible. So when you put that pistol in front of your eye, it's gonna give you a very good visibility. If you notice, this is not a 3-dot size or just your regular kind of like horseshoes with a front. This actually have 2 dots, so are more for self-defense. You're more aligning those 2 dots and engaging. Also, I think this, I don't remember. I mean, I don't have that pistol no more. But I think the center of those dots are essentially tritium. So at nighttime, you're going to be able to pick that as well. And look, a quick look right there how it lines up. So again, really nice. Look at that. And here's a quick look. This was provided to me by Optics Planets, I believe. But again, really nice. You see the tritium in the front, and you can kind of see how that lines up. Obviously, you could get it from Glock 27, Glock 33, you know, a bunch of other pistols. And you do have a couple different other choices out there, right? All right, so this is the Glock 43, I believe. And I'm going to show you this one right here. These are 9 sights. So again, you're still looking at those sights that are made out of metal, so you know they're not going to break or anything like that. And you can see the 3 dots right there. So again, a different setup, right? So now you're going to have 3 dots instead of 2. Now you don't have the standard horseshoes, you know, front side that Glock comes with. So you're gonna have to have a different kind of setup where you're utilizing 3 different dots. A lot of people say this is a little bit better, so you could get more accurate on that. But again, you still have to work in aligning those 3 dots. Now I want you to compare those sights with this ones right here. So essentially, this ones are, I love this ones by the way, are the Trijicon HD 9 sights. So as you notice, the back is completely blacked out and the front is orange. You could get it in green, I believe, as well. So essentially, your eyes are gonna go straight to the front. So the moment that you get that pistol in front of your face, your eyes are going to go straight to that front side, which is great. You can put that on target, and it kind of eliminates the whole lining up 2 dots, lining up 3 dots. It's just very, very fast. Really quickly, you get rounds on target, and that's it. It's not really, to me, it's not really designed like really long distance, but for, you know, close and personal, this will work just fine. And again, they're night sights as well. So at nighttime, what you see is that you're gonna see this right here light up, but inside the rear, there's gonna be also some dots in there that are gonna light up. So at nighttime, you're actually gonna have a 3 dot setup. You can kind of see the front side post right there in those sights. Those sights are pretty cool. And again, just to compare right there, those are the first ones that I show you. 2 dots compared to the 3 dots that we have right here. So we have 3 dots, we have 2 dots, we have 1 dot. It could be a little confusing for some of you guys out there, right? And again, some of those sites have tritium. So what happened is in the morning you don't see the tritium, but at nighttime you're actually gonna see the dots inside the sights. Okay, so we got this one right here, and again, some of you guys may get wrapped up around this. This is a Trigicon RMR. This was actually a tactical man. He actually put thousands of rounds through this pistol, a lot, and he came to the conclusion, if I remember correctly, that he didn't like it. So again, for a guy that actually put a lot of rounds, I put a lot of rounds from an optic that I got from Optics Planet Delta Pro, I think it was called. Again, I didn't like it as well. So it looks really cool. Some of you guys may get wrapped up around this. Oh, I got an optic in my pistol, and what I come to find out is that it's pretty accurate at a long distance. So like this right here, it's easy for you to engage a target. Obviously, you see you got a different type of sights in the pistol. Those pistols have sights that are more suppress ready, more for optics. But again, at a long distance, you could hit no problem about it. And if you do your practice, people say all the time, if you do your practice, you should be able to hit with no problem. But I tell you what, some of you guys are not going to do your practice. Some of you guys are not going to put thousands of rounds. Some of you guys are not going to do the crazy stuff that it requires for you to get good with this. So again, at a long distance, long range, when you see here, you could hit pretty good. But the problem was the presentation. So the moment that you take the gun and you put it in front of a target, if you don't have the proper hold of that pistol, that dot inside that is going to disappear. So essentially, you put a gun, and I want you guys to understand this. You get your gun, you put it in front of your face, and you don't see anything. All you see is an open space, right? There's no dot. If you don't have that pistol hold the proper way, you're going to have some issues, right? So a lot of people say, well, you need to go ahead out there and do a lot of practice, right? And that's the key. Training is the key. The problem is that 90% of you guys are not going to do the training. We get really busy with life. We get really busy. If you're not into this and you have other things that you like to do, you may not put the time that it takes, the dedication that it takes, and the training to be able to accomplish this. And again, I probably put close to 1,000 rounds through my pistol with it, and I really didn't like it. You see right there, you see the sights right there. And again, you see the dot right now. Some people don't run those sights, and some people just run the dot. And again, you won't be able to see it. So you put the pistol in front of your face, you don't see it. It takes a lot of training for you to get used to it. I'm not kind of discouraging you from getting an update. If you want to get an update on a pistol, get an update. It may do it for you. That's another choice that you have. But keep in mind that it may take you a lot of work to get it done. I'm going to show you right here just so you can see Glock 43 versus Glock 42. Kind of like different sizes right here. You have the 3 dot, and then you have Trigicon HG. You can kind of see like the difference right there. Just going to show you here just so you can have an idea. That's a side profile, obviously made out of metal, and again, good pistol. Here's the front sight right there just so you can have an idea. Here's another style of sights that we have here in the Glock 19. This one's our True Glow TFX, I believe, and you can see the difference right there. Nice size. Obviously you have those 3 dots. Again, it's going to be your choice, but you can see that right there, 3 dots. You can see the back, and actually this one has fiber in there, which is supposed to gather the light, and again, it brings more visibility to your sight. So again, just a different style, made out of metal as well. And you can see the top right there, how they look. You see the front right there has that fiber optic in there. So I just wanted to show you a couple different sights that you have. So the point here is that when you get a pistol, you may have to upgrade your sights, because a lot of times pistols come with crappy sights unless you spend a little bit more money, and there's going to be a lot more choices. So you're going to have some choices that are going to allow you to shoot better at a long distance. You're going to have some choices that are more for close and personal. You're going to have another choices that's going to give you 9 capability. Don't kind of cheap out on the size. Get a good size that you like, and then go out there and do some training so you can increase your skills on that particular platform with those sights. I just wanted to show you a couple different choices. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, gotta send control.